Okay, let's get started with our first challenge. Now, for this challenge, we're going to be talking about hypertonic versus hypotonic solutions. And for it, we're going to use 2 eggs as an example. So you're going to want to get 2 eggs from your refrigerator. So you do not want these to be hard boiled or edited in any way. You just want to pull them right out from your refrigerator. So be pretty careful with those. You want to get 2 small cups. These can be any type of cup. It could be a disposable cup. It could be teacups, as I'm using, just something that's low profile. You don't need a very big cup, and you'll see why. You'll need your can of Coca-Cola. You're going to need your vinegar to start, and then the second part that I'll post, you're going to need your corn syrup. And then finally, you're going to need your notebook and your note pen. And so here's what we're going to do. So we're going to take our 2 eggs and we're going to put our eggs into each of the cups. So I have my red egg and I have my purple egg, as you can see in there. All right, so with this, I'm going to put that aside and I'm going to open up my can of Coca-Cola. And just so I can remember, I'm going to put my Coca-Cola and fill it to the very top of my red cup. I'm going to let the fizz go down, but I want to fill it so that it's completely covering that egg. The rest you can drink if you like to have Coca-Cola. And what I'm going to do is take this egg and we're going to put it aside. I'm going to take it inside the house and I'm going to cover up and I'm going to put a sign on it saying do not touch for 24 hours. So I'm going to put it in the spot where my dogs can't get it, where nobody else can touch it, nobody will bother it. I don't want it touched for 24 hours. Now, my second egg is in the purple cup. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vinegar, and this is just simple apple cider vinegar, which you probably have some in your kitchen because it's a common kitchen item. I'm going to take that and I'm going to pour it all over the egg there. And it does have a strong smell to it, so just keep that in mind. All right, and then I'm just going to throw away this container because I won't need it anymore. So now I have 2 cups. I have one with Coca-Cola and one with apple cider vinegar in there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write down a hypothesis in my notebook. So in my notebook, I'm going to take a guess as to what this egg is going to look like in 24 hours, and then what this egg is going to look like in 3 days sitting in the Coca-Cola by itself. So I have my red egg is in Coca-Cola. And I'm going to make a prediction of what I think it's going to look like in 24 hours. And then I'm going to make a second prediction of what I think will happen after 3 days' time. And I'm going to do the same thing for my purple cup. It's in apple cider vinegar. What's going to happen in 24 hours and what's going to happen in 3 days' time. All right, so I have my predictions down. I have my hypothesis written. I'm going to put my notebook aside. I'm going to take these inside the house and get them in a spot where nobody can get a hold of them, and I'm just going to have them sit. And what I'd like you to do is do the exact same thing and share in the comments what your hypothesis is. What do you think is going to happen to the egg in the Coca-Cola, and what do you think is going to happen with the egg in the apple cider vinegar? All right, have fun, scientists.